guys, this is Dylan at 4 State. I just want to talk to you about something real cool. If you're wanting to fix up your 379 or 389 with a flip kit, and you have a 20 or 22 inch blind mount bumper, come by and see us and we get you set up.
Hi, I'm Adam. I'm with 4 State Trucks here in Joplin, Missouri. I am standing here with the Dyna-Light headache rack with tray and chain hangers, 68 by 80 right now, $10.99. Merritt Products are on sale this month. You can save up to $145. This thing has the potential of holding up to 12 chains. Mount on just about any truck. Come on down to 4 State Trucks and check them out.
Hey guys, Derrick, 4 State Trucks, home of Chrome Shop Mafia. I wanted to show you this dome light replacement that 12 gauge makes. So it's all stainless, but you can completely change out your light and make them any color, any way that you're wanting. The switch, it's all customizable. It's $69.99. Again, it just comes with the housing. Your lights that can be clear, amber, red, dual revolution, however you're wanting. I've got one very similar setup over here in the hideout sleeper that I'll show you just so you can get an idea of how cool and how customizable it is. They got some blue lights. Let's go check that out. So again, this was just a little bit different, but you still get the idea. You know, you can change up the light. You can have it blue, amber, red, green, however you're wanting. But it gives that little customizable piece, and it's good looking. Add different light in there so you're not dim, anything like that. Let you see the whole cab. It's a really great product, guys. We got them here. We got one on display. You can check it out here, see what it looks like. Come by, check it out. Check it out on the webpage. They'll be here.
Hey guys, this is Ben at 4 State Trucks. I'm here to talk to you guys today about black chrome hub covers from trucks. They're made for hub pilot wheels with 33mm lug nuts, and they come with 10 33mm nut covers. These are the steers. They are $41.25 a piece. These are normally kept in stock in our warehouse. Feel free to come down and see us at 4 State Trucks.